Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Assistive Touch creates an on-screen menu that replicates hardware buttons and gestures. It helps when a physical button or gesture is difficult to perform. You can enable Assistive Touch in settings under Accessibility with a single toggle. Enabling displays a floating button on your screen you can move anywhere. The button opens a menu for Home, Siri, Control Center, and more. It reduces device handling and protects buttons from wear. Use it to streamline actions and perform tasks with fewer taps. You can add up to 8 custom actions to the Assistive Touch menu. Open Settings, select Accessibility, then Assistive Touch to customize menu items. Assign single tap, double tap, long press, or 3D touch to actions you use most. Custom actions can trigger shortcuts, gestures, or open Control Center and Notification Center. Replace rarely used items with frequently used functions for faster access. You can also create custom gestures and name them for repeated tasks. Create a custom gesture for pinch, pan, or multi-finger swipes and save it. Open Assistive Touch, choose Create New Gesture, perform the gesture, and tap Save. Use Assistive Touch to simulate pinch to zoom and 2-finger rotate gestures without hardware motions. You can also invoke Siri, take screenshots, and lock the screen from the menu. Place the floating button at screen edges to avoid covering important content. Reduce opacity when idle to keep the display visually clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.